Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove song from your Instagram post. So let's get into the video. Once you have selected a post and already have shared it with a music or a song, there is no particular typical way to change your music then, but you can change it. For that, let's just try. And if you go to edit, there are no visible options to change your song for Instagram post. So all you have to do is either delete that post and repost it, or you can just ask Instagram for help and they will just enable you so that you can change your Instagram song from your post. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.